Katanat arts and culture ka sorkar jala haga khat pratrik no pra klara kheken mau buram ya lingku sngiyam ba prapasan snam jong Myllung Soso Tham ubadei uriu khraw ubalano synniang shibut ha ka liang ka tho katar bat ka kol shor shaka imlang salang jong ka jat pin rio ha ka ni ka program bala pelong ha Soso Tham auditorium shlok lawan ya shimbenta da ulad ka jala UCH Vijaya Shankar kum ukongsan bat umentri sorkar ubak mi yaktanat arts and culture ubak san bor shulai kum usumbut kongsan nalor ki opsar sorkar ki balalej ru ban bu sentiu hakmar udurmat jong Myllung Soso Tham ha state central library shlong haba a jingkren ha ka jingalang ulad ulapan kan mawi ka jingno senyang bakrau jong uni unong tho kan khasi bakrau Myllung Soso Tham shakajat bin rio bat ka imlang salang ulakin turu ya ka sorkar jala bakan perkhat ban rakhi ya ka lingkhu sngi kha jong Soso Tham ha ka jaka jong ka sngi yam daka bakdo baka jingrakhi ya ka sngi kha ka kit ya ka jingmut ka bakham kraw ha ka ban burom ya ka pateng jong ki riu pau khmat ula benrap ya ka ni kam on saya kren bat katanat arts and culture bat wan ra ha ka jingalang ka kinhun menteri Menteri Katanat Arts and Culture ubak san bor shulai ha ka jingkren ula pun bana ba on sa penyeng ya umat renong jong Myllung Soso Tham hapo State Central Library ula pun pau ru ya ka jingno senyang ba koridor jong Myllung Soso Tham ha ka liang ka tho katar kan thup ya ka kot ba pau nam jong u ka dui tarak siar bat ula kan tho ba tang khandet e ki bala pen i ya ka jing e ka jing IT lun ka ba jiliu na ka benta ka imlang ka salang kum unong sedang jong ka tho katar kasi ha ka ni ka program ulad ulapun ko buram ru e ki dikhat ka longgieng jong Myllung Soso Tham na lor ki nonga shimbenta ha ki jinga ko per ki balaya don lang ha ka ni ka sngi ki kin thup ru ya principal secretary Katanat Arts and Culture uba Frederick R Kharkongor na lor ki weipat ki he ki han bat ki riu rangba
I have got another opportunity to participate again in the same program. One of the great souls can inspire anybody. Many times in many of the programs I have been told, this kind of programs, particularly in the name of Soso Tham, which we are going to conduct here, it is not going to benefit either to the family of Soso Tham or particularly the great soul Soso Tham. It is going to benefit to the whole of the society. Whole of the society. And many of the programs I am going to repeat. Again I am going to repeat it here. Who do not know their history, who do not know their history, they cannot create history. They cannot create history. This is the time, this is the opportunity, this is the occasion to recall ourselves, our memories and our history, our cultural history, our social background, our spiritual background and our forefathers' commitment towards the society, their contribution, not only the commitment, their contribution to the society. In that way, ultimately this kind of programs inspires us. We also should give something to the society. Ultimately it makes us to understand what is our role? What is our role in the society? And what exactly the society expectation from we people. And what we can contribute. In that way, I feel every year, once in a year, we are going to assemble here and remember the name of Myllung Soso Tham and speaks few of the things about them. And again 1 year it will go. Any of our honorable ministers here, art and culture, our principal secretaries also here. Two things I am going to make it here, very clear here. One thing, you take the family of this particular Myllung Soso Tham, family members, and some of the dignitaries, well-versed personalities, and form an academy in the name of Myllung Soso Tham, form academy. All the 12 months, one or the other activities should run. Father of Khasi literature, father of Khasi literature. See the wonderful personality. Father of Khasi literature. At a time when Khasi was mostly spoken and not widely written, he gave a song written form. Through his writings, he preserved the history, values, and traditions of the Khasi people and for the future generation also. His notable verse continues to guide us in understanding our roots and culture identity. His writings taught us to respect our own language, our heritage, and our own moral values. There are many issues of the heritage, history, values, and all that. I need not to read all this given by our Rajbhavan officers.
As we commemorate the 85th death anniversary of our beloved Myllung Soso Tham, the Khasi literary icon. On this solemn occasion, the Department of Agriculture, Government of Meghalaya, has taken the initiative to observe every year, and this year too, to observe the death anniversary of Myllung Soso Tham with the support of his family members, and once again we assembled here to pay tribute on his enduring legacy. This year's commemoration is observed under the theme Soso Tham Ubayai Jingai Jingnoh Ula Yoi Lupa Ya Dalawai Bapernai Na Dabanta Ari Bakajat. His legend, where we can really put our signature, recognized by the indigenous people of our state, that he is the only person who really loves the Jason Rio. Ubada Sishaya Rio, but Kakam Yagaba. We are here today to learn about the Khasi language, the English language, and other language. He's a real father of the nation. Ubada Sishaya Rio. Dari ini Myllung Soso Tham, mudah dikiwi di bawah abad Jason Rio, para banyak Myllung Soso Tham. ngapa and who I send this message through you, socially and politically. Through this genius and creativity, he produced some of the finest classics in Khasi literature, such as Kadui Tarakshar. When I was in school, we used to read Kadui Tarakshar. The Golden Harp, and Kiski Barian Uhinyofra, the olden days of Uhinyofra, indigenous community, which brought great recognition and honor to the Khasi language, particularly in the field of poetry and fabrics. In the part of poetry, he shines as the foremost star in the constellation of Khasi poets, and it must be acknowledged the Khasi literature would not have attained its present status without the immense contribution of Myllung Soso Tham. His poems clearly reflects his vision for his people, which serve as a major source of inspiration to him and confine to guide the spirit of this year's commemoration. Through his literary words, Myllung Soso Tham established himself as a poet of exceptional stature and was recognized as the poet laureate, philosopher, and seer of Khasi society.